Hi, and welcome to Safe Space Channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of caring less about things that are outside of your control. I'll argue that by caring less, we can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. I'll also provide practical tips on how to care less. Why is it important to care less? Well, for one thing, caring too much can lead to stress, anxiety, and depression. When we care too much about things that are outside of our control, we're setting ourselves up for disappointment and frustration. We're also more likely to get caught up in negative emotions, such as anger, sadness, and fear. Caring less can also help us to be more present in the moment. When we're not constantly worrying about things that we can't control, we're able to focus on the here and now. This can lead to a more enjoyable and fulfilling life. So, how do we care less? Before I provide some tips, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share my channel for more videos about self-love. Here are a few tips. Focus on the present moment. One of the best ways to care less is to focus on the present moment. This means paying attention to what's happening right now, and not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Accept things that you cannot change. Another important tip is to accept things that you cannot change. This doesn't mean that you have to like or agree with everything that happens, but it does mean that you need to accept it. Let go of your expectations. Our expectations are often the root of our suffering. When we expect things to go a certain way, and they don't, we get disappointed. So, it's important to let go of our expectations and accept things for what they are. Be kind to yourself. Finally, it's important to be kind to yourself. When we care too much, we're often our own worst critics. We need to learn to be more forgiving and understanding of ourselves. So, those are a few tips on how to care less. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.